How to change graphic settings on Battle Prime. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make different changes on it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now, we're in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and customize it. Here on the top, simply tap on audio and graphics. So now, we're in this graphics section. Here, it's up to your mobile compatibility. So here, you'll be able to find different option. Now you can select the one that you want to change into. So also make sure if you have a low end or high end mobile, and at last you can simply go back and it's done. So the graphics has been completely changed and you can start your gameplay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.